factorize completely 64p square plus 32 by 3 p cube plus 4 by 9 q square. So here 64p square plus 32 by 3 p cube plus 4 by 9 q square. So clearly see, if you'll observe this, here we can use directly identities. It is in the form of a square because 8p whole square we can write as 8p whole square, and this is also in the form of perfect square, that is 2 by 3 q whole square. So these both are in the form of a square and b square. So we need to check for 2ab. So directly we can use the identity if it fits. A square plus 2ab plus b square, then we can write directly a plus b whole square. So here 64p, I can first I'll write empty, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a is nothing but 8p, b is nothing but 2 by 3 q. So this is a and this is b. So here I'll write a and b, 8p into 2 by 3q. Now we'll check whether we'll get 2ab or not. 2ab should fit like 32 by 3 pq. So if we'll multiply numerators, 2 into 8 16, 16 into 2 32, pq by 3, perfect. So clearly it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I can write directly a plus b whole square, 8p plus 2 by 3 q whole square, or I can write 8p plus 2 by 3 q into 8p plus 2 by 3 q. Here see, if you observe carefully, you can take 2 common in the numerators in both the terms. So what I'll do here, I'll take 2 common. So I'll get 4p plus 1 by 3 q into, again 2 common, 4p plus 1 by 3 q. So 2 times 2, 4. So 4 into 4p plus 1 by 3 q, and here 4p plus 1 by 3 q. You can write this way, or in the starting only you can take 4 common. You can do in that method also. If you take starting only, if you take 4 common, this will become 16, this will become 8, and this will become 1. You can do that way also, or you can do at the end.